So today is Saturday and I figured I could take you guys along with me to clean the house and organize and get stuff put away. And so I figured that would be a fun video for you guys to watch me clean, and that can give you guys some inspiration too to clean and organize your house. So our bed is a mess. So if you go into our bathroom, it is also a mess. Countertops need to be cleaned, things need to be put away, stuff on the floor. First we'll start off in the bedroom. I'm gonna make the bed, get clothes in the washer, and organize it.
Waste my time, don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind, I refuse to be a soldier. Waste my time, don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind, I refuse to be a soldier. Waste my time, don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind, I refuse to be a soldier.
So as you can see here, I have laundry to put away. I have clothes in the dryer, I have clothes in the washer, and then we move on to my kitchen and my living room, which is also a disaster. The night before we had pizza, and there's my backyard. And this back counter is where we throw everything that we're using that day. It's kind of a catch-all back there. That needed to be cleaned so bad. Thurman. So it's been a very lazy weekend. As you can tell, this is day 2 of cleaning. Tanner and Elle are napping downstairs on the couch, so as soon as they get up, I'm gonna vacuum downstairs, vacuum upstairs. So come along with me. Normally, I would have Elle come help me fold and put her clothes away, but she was taking a nap with Dad, so I didn't want to interrupt that. But I realized she has so many clothes. Hey, Squirm. Let's move on. all so much for watching my cleaning video. It was so much fun to put together, and Thurman also enjoyed following me around, as you saw. Please like and subscribe and look out for my new video next week. Bye everyone!